It generally is like very, very therapeutic riding at night time. I think it's because I haven't eaten. I don't tend to eat throughout the day. I tend to eat at night time, and it's maybe I'm just always hangry, or whatever the word is. But we're going down here because this road takes us down through to Yateley. It's pretty dark, so I don't know how the camera's going to pick this up. But like I said, it's our first night ride with the GoPro mounted on the front of the lid, on front of the helmet, not a hat. I'd like to say it's not a hat. It is a helmet, crash helmet, or a LID, a lid. Just thought I'd let you guys know, because I know there are some individuals out there who have a tendency to call it a hat. Oh mate, cyclists, yeah, that's a new rule, isn't there, where you can't overtake a cyclist or you're going to give way or some rubbish. Just overtake him, mate. Jesus Christ. Oh. And like, it's the cyclists don't tend to be the dangerous ones. It tends to be the cars, of how cars deal with the cyclist. Like this, like you got a free spot open, and then they accelerate really slow past the cyclist and have an accident, and they're like, oh, it's the cyclist's fault. It wasn't. It was just your lack of knowledge of how to drive a car that created the accident. That's how I look at it anyway. I mean, I might be completely wrong and just talking rubbish here, but I think I'm right. Actually, I know I'm right. I'm always right. That was a bold statement to make. Maybe I'm not always right. I'm right just the majority of the time. Like 99.9%, you know? So it's not always, but it's most of the time. That's a cool little van, isn't it? It's got some weird fiery stripes on it. Oh, come on, mate. Take a deep breath. Look how bright my lights are. I'm blinding him right now. I'm going. Just because I can't be bothered. You're a fucking idiot. Should have slowed down at least when he saw me coming out. Last minute indication, because that's what I do best.
Hi guys, so just quickly jump in here. So basically we went to a car meet. There's motorbikes and cars, obviously, you know, younger generation know what we're like. Anyway, they're all beeping around. Anyway, the guy in the MT-07 actually broke his horn. As you see on this clip, we're actually pulling into the car meet. But I thought I'd quickly say what a waste of taxpayers' money it was, that event, because someone got stuck going down a ramp because this car was so low. Ended up calling a fire engine out to actually come rescue him, or come save him, in fact. But I hope you're enjoying the rest of the videos, or the other videos I have on my page. And thank you all very much for watching, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you.